let me give you a short narrative. So when you open up Blackboard, right away you're going to see the announcements page. All the learning material, all the content, assignments, etc. you can find under learning modules. Course materials have anything that is like links to the book, how to write a lab report, etc. When you go into learning modules, your Start Here course orientation is where you should start. Okay. Every time you go into a learning module, you will have a module overview that tells you what you're going to learn in that folder. The module activities tells you what you need to do to get prepared for the module assignments. Okay. Where can you find these module activities and module assignments? Well, there's a module activities folder and a module assignments folder. Be sure to go into those folders and accomplish the activities. The Mastering Chemistry, this is required, and you just follow along through the Blackboard website. The Remind app is a text messaging service that I will be sending messages to you about due dates. Okay. Now, under Learning Modules Week 1, which is the week of August 24th, if you click on it, again, you will see the objectives and the module activities for the week. All sections must complete the module activities and module assignments this week. Notice how Friday is your first activity that's due, and it is due this Friday. The Mastering Chemistry homework is due on Sunday, and the challenge problems are due next Wednesday, even though week 2 will start that Monday. Now, if you are in section B01 or B15, you will start the week of August 24th on campus. Please check your schedule to verify that the section that you have on there corresponds to the section you think you are in. Now, if you are in B01 or B15, you are going to proceed to the green lab folder. If you are in sections B2 or B16, you will proceed to the blue folder. Sections B2 and B16 do not come on campus until next week. Under the laboratory, that's in green for B1 and B15, please complete the laboratory activities and the pre-lab quiz before coming to campus. You must print out the lab report. This lab report you will complete on campus while you do your activities. Now you can have it printed or you can have an electronic copy of this. Either will work, but you need to have it so that you can make notes during the experiment. The pre-lab quiz you can get 100% as long as you do it over and over again, as many times as it takes for you to get the correct answers. This is how I know you have read the procedure for the lab that we're going to do. You must also complete the lab safety evaluation, and this is another one that must be 100%, and you have multiple attempts and unlimited time to to do it, but it must be completed by August 30th. Complete the student safety agreement with 100% as well. This is, yes, I read the general lab safety instructions, true or false, and you will abide by them. I will talk about more what you need to do once the experiment has been performed, once we get there. If you are in section B2 or B16, go into the blue folder. You will explore the virtual lab website, which is where we will be conducting the lab reports. The virtual labs, sorry. And also look at the lab equipment. I would advise you to look into the activities for the other sections B1 and B15, as you will be doing the same thing next week. So, how the blended format works is that B1 and B15 will come on campus the week of August 24th, and B2 and B16 will come the following week, and then you will switch. B1 and B15 will not be on campus next week. They will come in 2 weeks. I hope this makes sense. One more thing, that questions that I've gotten are the mastering chemistry. So again, going to start here, module activities. For the mastering chemistry, you must purchase the access to the assignments. There's also an option to purchase the assignments with the ebook. That ebook is an additional reference that is not required. We will be looking at the free textbook under Pressbooks. And every time you go into a learning module, one of the activities to do, module activity, is to read the textbook. Here you will find the links that correspond to that week's assignments. So if you click on the web link, whenever there's a globe here, that's a web link. Click on it, and here you have the scientific method, and you'll read that. I hope this makes sense. Again, ask me any questions that you may have.